Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about packaging of Tutti Frutti and the packaging requirements. First we'll see the introduction. Packaging is the science, art and technology of enclosing or protecting products for distribution, storage, sale and use. It is very much necessary to pack a product so that to improve its shelf life. Packaging is the activities of designing and producing the containers for the product. Now we'll see in detail about packaging of Tutti Frutti. The packaging of confectionery products is closely interlinked with production, preservation, storage, transportation and marketing. 10 to 25% of the entire cost of the product lies in the packaging. So again, it is very much important to consider the packaging of the product while you are manufacturing the product. The packaging material performs different functions. Those all functions has been listed in this slide. They have been listed as 3 C's and 1 P. 3 C's like convenience, communication and containment. And 1 P means protection. The packaging material should provide a protection to the food product while it is being handled, transported and stored. It should provide a convenience to the consumer when it is under use. The label on the packaging material should provide the information regarding the product, and hence the packaging is considered as a means of communication. The packaging material should contain the product. You will be able to hold the product because of the packaging material only. Packaging of food product can be classified as primary packaging, secondary packaging and tertiary packaging. Now we'll see the packaging functions based on the classification. The primary packaging will perform functions like containment of product, protection of product, it will provide convenience, it will help in easy storage of the product, and again it will be good for transportation. The secondary packaging material helps in communication, service and guarantee. In addition to all those functions, the tertiary packaging will provide additional functions like while distribution, transportation of the product, it will reduce the chances of mechanical damage to the product. While selecting the packaging material, we need to consider the characteristics of Tutti Frutti. First one is the Tutti Frutti product is an intermediate moisture product. Its shelf life is about 18 to 24 months. The water activity is very low, that is 0.3, and it will require a relative humidity of about 20 to 30% during its storage. There are different types of hazards which affects on the packaging of Tutti Frutti and ultimately on the product quality. These hazards are climatic hazards, mechanical hazards, biological hazards and other hazards. In climatic hazards, it is atmospheric humidity, light, most probably the UV light, then temperature and rain. The mechanical hazards like handling of the product, transportation, handling while sampling the product, and stacking the product one on another. Third hazard is biological hazard, in that insect, molds, mites, bacteria, rodents and birds, which you can consider as macrobiological and microbiological hazards. The other hazards like pilferage, the price of the product, types of stores, customer appeal, chemical control measures should also be considered while packaging the product. Many changes in the quality of Tutti Frutti will be there during its storage, like flavor changes, oxidation and off flavor generation, enzymatic reactions, microbial alterations, texture loss, etc. In this slide, some of the basic requirements that a packaging material should possess are given. The first one is the packaging material should be barrier to a moisture, it should be barrier to fat, it should be resistance to breakage, it will retain the flavor of the product, it should have ease while opening or reclosing the product, it should have an ability to be decorated for creating a visual attractiveness, and it should protect the product for prolonged period of a time, and hence it should enhance the shelf life of the product. This slide shows the list of packaging materials that we generally use for packaging of Tutti Frutti. The first packaging material is cast polypropylene, that is PP, then oriented polypropylene, vacuum metallized polypropylene, thin and thinner aluminum foil, embossed and decorated metal cans, and stand-up flexible pouches. Now we'll see the characteristics of the packaging materials. Cast polypropylene films exhibits transparency, moisture and fat barrier, and twist memory for sugar pieces. Oriented polypropylene film have good transparency, moisture and fat barrier, and eventual heat stability, and you can use it for pouches and over wrappers. Vacuum metallized polypropylene, it has enhanced moisture barrier property, and its metallic like appearance is improving the aesthetic value. You can use it for making pouches. Then next is embossed and decorated metal cans. You can use it for sugar candies. It has excellent barrier against contaminants. And last one is stand-up pouches. It prevents mechanical damage, and it has good transparency, and again it provides protection to the product. Now we'll see about active packaging of Tutti Frutti. Use of active packaging ingredients in candies helps to significantly increase the shelf life and maintain the original quality of product. Commonly used active packaging ingredients are oxygen absorbents and antimicrobial agents. Next is flexible packaging material. A wide range of packaging material you can use to pack Tutti Frutti. The following advantage will be provided if you are using flexible packaging material like sealability characteristics, water vapor and oxygen permeability, clarity and anti-fog properties, weight and strength, lower cost, printability, microbial safety and prolonged shelf life, saving in freight and other such factors, etc. You can wrap the candies in different styles like pillow pouch, roll wrap, setup box, thermoform polystyrene tray also you can use, then folding paperboard cartoon and twist wrap also you can use for wrapping the product. In this image you can see the cardboard boxes or the paperboard boxes that you can make a use as a secondary packaging material. If your packaging is having a facility for reclosure or resealing the pouches of the product, the shelf life of your product will get extended. Some of the techniques that can extend the shelf life of the Tutti Frutti are plastic cup with reclosable closures, zippers or slide-on flexible film material pouches with inert gas flushing, global top paperboard cartoons, etc. At a commercial scale, the packaging of candy or Tutti Frutti gets carried out by using packaging equipments. In this slide, you can see the first image, which is of cutting and forming pillow type packaging machine, and the second image is of ball single twisted sugar packaging machine. This is an image of double twist candy packaging machine. In this slide you can see the equipments which you will be requiring for labeling and sealing of your product. The first image is for labeling machine and the second image is for continuous sealing machine. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India has given some basic requirements in an regulation called Packaging and Labeling Regulation that one should follow while packaging and labeling of the product. The packaging and labeling of the product should possess manufacturer's name and contact details, name of the product, description of the product, weight of the product, ingredients listed in descending order of their weight, cooking and heating instructions if necessary, storage instructions, shelf life of the product, place of origin, allergy information, illustration of product, price of the product, nutritional value of the product, which is most important factor, customer guarantee, batch code and barcode for the product, and opening instructions. This is how your labeling should be. If you see the front display panel of your packaging, it should give an information about the brand name, the product name, then a wedge mark logo, and again it should have an image of the product which has been got packed inside the packaging. On the back side of the packaging material, the information like nutritional information, manufacturers or packers details, ingredients list, FSSAI license number, barcode, all the other information should be provided. So this is all about the packaging and labeling of Tutti Frutti. Thank you.